Noy, kamusta mo ka diha? Happy 78th birthday. I hope your celebration today will give you many happy memories. Wishing you good health and more blessings. See you soon and happy birthday. Regards daw sad si Daddy Nimo.
Happy birthday, Tita Noemi.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola Noemi.
Praying for many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Anoy! Happy birthday, Anoy! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Anoy! We hope you have more candles to blow and more happy and healthy years to come. Mwah! Love, love, love from your prettiest Apollos!
Lola Noemi, happy birthday from the Ramas and Inad family.
Happy birthday.
Oh, not yet. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Lola Noemi. Heart
From Japan.
from Japan. The baby's sleeping when I laugh. So hope you have a blessed birthday, and we pray and wish you for many more.
We miss
Hope
you.
We miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday to one of the most stylishly gorgeous, strong, and resilient woman that I know. Happy birthday, Tita. May you have more blessings, more birthdays, and continued good health. Enjoy your day. Love you. See you soon.
Hi Tita, happy 70th birthday. I wish you all the best for the rest of your years and samok-samok ka na si Pamuk si Julius para mangita na kagapo. Enjoy your day and then enjoy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Noy. Happy 70th birthday. Wish you good health, happiness, and more blessings to come. Noy, sorry kaayo no ako kanganha. Kaya nga no, busy sad ko dire. Noy, tingali sunod, makanganha na ko. Puhon. So ako ingon, happy birthday and enjoy very much your birthday. I love you, my generous younger sister. I love you very much. Bye-bye.